like the desire to sing in human beings is linked to our need for creative outlets and expressive tendencies. The songbird, however, has more evolutionary reasons behind its song. Songs play a crucial role in attracting and impressing potential mates. The consistency and complexity of the song and range of repertoire signals the quality of the singing bird. In courtship rituals of some bird species, both male and female will sing a complex duet that strengthens their pair bond. Birds also communicate with one another through song, the way we connect with friends over a chat.